everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. So I'm opening up my September Vellabox today. If you do not know what Vellabox is, it is a monthly candle subscription I've been getting for years and I absolutely love. One cool thing about Vellabox is that it offers multiple subscription tiers. So the prices range from $10 to $30. I do have the more expensive one, the $30 one, so I get 2 candles per month. If you get the $10 option, you get one 4-ounce candle. If you get the $20 option, you get an 8-ounce candle, and then the one I get the $30 option, you get both. In all 3 of these subscription plans, you do get like an extra bonus goodie each month, so that is great. All of the candles are so good that I've received in the past, like seriously amazing. They all come from local artisans in the United States. They're all made in small batches, hand poured. They're free of all that nasty stuff, so they're pretty darn great. So I'm super excited to see what I got this month. They always come with these super cute bags too that you can reuse, which is another huge perk. Before we get unboxing, I just want to let you guys all know that I do have a giveaway ending today, the 20th. Well, not the day I'm filming this, but the day this video is going up, I have 2 giveaways ending. So if you have not yet entered my giveaways, they are both beauty giveaways. They are open international, so definitely check those out. I'll leave the video links down below that have the giveaways included in them. I'm also going to link down below Vellabox as well as a promo code to save $5 on your first subscription. I think it works for all the subscription plans, so definitely use that promo code if you want to save some money, because $5 is a lot, especially when it's a more affordable subscription. So yeah, let's get started. This is what it looks like when I open it up. There's always a quote on here too that's on a removable piece of paper, so you can do whatever you want with it. Super sweet. And it has some trees on it, and it says, "Each moment of the year has its own beauty." Ralph Waldo Emerson. That is so true. I love that. So then we have the 2 candles in these drawstring bags, which again I said are reusable. So it looks like they're have like a lime green type color, and then like the khaki color. I'm not sure if you can tell, but yeah, these are good quality. You can reuse them to package little gifts, whatever you want to do. And then we have some extras, and then there is a little card that comes inside each box that tells us about the items. So it looks like this month our candles are coming from Arter Bin, which is based out of Los Angeles, California. It says, inspired by the redolent sense of nature, Arter Bin's exquisite line of vegan botanical candles are designed to add a touch of warmth and tranquility to any living space with clean and conscious candle burning. Awesome. So what one should we start with today? How about we start off with the big one? Let's get it out of here. I'm so excited. I absolutely love candles. I don't know if you can tell, but I always have a candle burning in the background of my videos, but that's like just what I would be doing even if I wasn't filming. I love candles so much. So this one, the 8-ounce candle, is Sandalwood Night. And that is what the label looks like. And it says small batch hand poured botanical candle. Let's smell it. This smells so good. I think the name of it is a perfect description. Something about it is like kind of like sexy and like nighttime-ish, but you can totally burn this anytime. I love that sandalwood scent. Smell-o-vision. Is that getting old? I say that all the time. I'm gonna keep that open and sit this right here, or I'll hold it up for a second when I read about it. So Sandalwood Night, the fragrance notes: ginger, spice, tobacco leaf, amber, dark musk. And the scoop, it says, the base of sandalwood, teakwood, patchouli, and dark musk creates the perfect mix of soothingly bold aromas. This charming fragrance helps to unwind and brings a warm richness to the home. I love it so much. This smells amazing. Yes, yes, yes. So now let's move on to the smaller 4-ounce candle. And this one is Eucalyptus Rain. Ooh, that sounds amazing too. So again, it says small batch hand poured botanical candle. This smells really good. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. You can definitely get the notes of eucalyptus, but it smells like other things too. Let's get the notes. I'm not a fragrance expert yet. Maybe if I keep examining my candles each month, I'll get a little better at it. But okay, the Eucalyptus Rain. The fragrance notes are eucalyptus, peppermint, cedar, patchouli, and vanilla. It says, eucalyptus rain is designed to de-stress and rejuvenate. It's great for relaxation and promoting tranquility. I totally can see that. Oh my god, I always try and pick my favorite each month, but it's so hard. I like both of these. I like both of these for like different occasions. I can't choose. I'm so bad at favorites. It's just because I love so much. Like, I don't know how many people can like have so many favorites. Like, I can't even pick a freaking favorite color, you know? Like, I'm bad at that. I love them both, okay? Smells so good. But let's get into our extras. It looks like we have 2 tea packets. So these are by Stash. The first one, ooh, ginger fire chai. That sounds great. This one has caffeine, it says. Yes, yes, yes. I love chai. I'm saying shy like Chicago. Chai. And then the other one is caffeine free. It's peppermint. And let's learn more about these. So again, they're from Stash Tea, the ginger fire chai and the peppermint herbal tea. The scoop, it says this is carefully blended, all natural teas intended to take you on wonderful, flavorful journey. Their mission is to do what they love best, sharing happiness 1 cup of tea at a time. Awesome. You guys know I get a tea subscription. I like tea. I enjoy it. So I have not tried this brand before, so that's really exciting. And they are based out of Tigard, if I'm saying that like Tigard, Oregon. So cool. So fun. So that was everything that came in the box. I love getting this subscription. I love candles so much. I think this would make a great gift. I always say that, like, when people are like in a pinch and don't know what to get someone, like pretty much everyone loves candles in good sense. And I love that they support like small local businesses in the United States. That is amazing. But again, I will leave the link to this down below along with that $5 off promo code. If you're interested, definitely take advantage of that. And I will leave my giveaway links down below along with all of my social media handles. Those are always down below. So if you want to catch up in between videos, I'm pretty much always on Instagram stories and Snapchat. So you can find me, everything listed down below. But yeah, check that out if you haven't already. But anyways, thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!